This is a how-to video on how to clean solar panels, and specifically solar panels on a Sunniva solar and shade system. Making sure your solar panels are clean is very important as it helps maximize your system's generation. Dirty panels produce less energy than clean panels. Sometimes you might have debris on your panels as well that limits your generation. We recommend cleaning your panels at least twice a year and potentially cleaning them once every few weeks or once a month. There are specific times that might be a good time to check your system to make sure it is clean. These times are after major storms, as rain or other precipitation can leave behind dirt, or during fall when leaves are falling, or after a snowstorm if you live in an area with snow. As always, safety is the most important thing, so make sure before you do any maintenance on your solar system that you turn off the system to reduce hazard and injury. Some important materials we recommend using are a ladder of adequate height, a brush, broom, or squeegee, clean rags, a bucket with water and cleaning solution or other glass cleaner, and a hose with a low pressure nozzle. Another great tool would be a window squeegee cleaner with a telescoping pole. As a general rule, solar panels are glass, so if you wouldn't use it on your house windows, it's probably not a good idea to use on your solar panels. First thing I like to do is to visually inspect my system. I first go check for any electrical hazards, and then I see what condition my panels are in, just to make sure I bring the right equipment. Using a broom, brush, or other soft item, gently wipe off debris and loose dirt off your panels. With a rag and soap, gently wash the panels of all dirt and debris. Be sure to not lean on the panels, as that can crack or damage the panels. Using a window squeegee cleaner with a telescoping pole makes quick and easy work at this stage. Now, to rinse your panels, use a hose on a low pressure setting or using a bucket of water to rinse all the soap and excess dirt away. Make sure to not use a lot of water, as it can damage your structure or other electrical components of your system. Next, to dry your system, we recommend just cleaning on a sunny day so that nature can do the work for you, but a clean towel or squeegee will also do the trick. Your solar panels are now clean. Double check everything is still the way it should be, then turn your system back on and enjoy your system once more. Thanks for watching. Come back for more helpful tips and tricks and other content.